Okay, YouTube people, so this is Jeff Bezos' third best business tip. Think long term. He suggested 5 to 7 years. Start to think in these blocks of time. That means for you, when you are executing strategies in your business, think about how the rewards and the benefits for you as the business owner is going to pay you off in a 5 to 10 year period. It may have immediate impact for your customers right now, but the benefits that you reap will be later on down the road. He's basically saying that short-term gains are inferior to long-term wins. So why would you want to do this? Well, essentially, it's going to help you build a better brand, a stronger brand, by not focusing on your profits right now, but rather how you can continue to add value and outdo your competition. You start to solidify your brand positioning, even if it costs you profit, to the point where you may be losing money or breaking even. Amazon has been famous for doing this, selling products and delivering services where they are losing money and out-competing everybody else in the space, to the point where nobody else is left. And then when nobody else is left, they gain all the rewards. Now, you don't have to be so aggressive to completely dominate a market to see this results, but in many ways you can outperform and out-deliver on value, build a really strong brand, and then people start to come to you organically and naturally because you gain the reputation of a fantastic brand. And when you have developed a brand like that, the products you launch moving forward are going to now have greater and greater success, and you'll have much higher market saturation. But first, you gotta establish your brand positioning and solidify that in for you to move upon. And that is what he is saying with this. Think long term. When you start seeing some success in your businesses, don't go out and buy your Rolexes. This is not a Rolex. This is a Casio that costs like 20 quid. But reinvest, innovate, continue to develop and grow your brand and your business. Then you may be able to be a billionaire too. Subscribe for more marketing tips and have a fabulous day. Ethan out.